Hello guys, click in a description first link. You see this window. Click the sign up button and put the username and other needed information. Click the checkbox. Click the I am human to solve the CAPTCHA. Click sign up the button. And go to Gmail. There you can click here and you click the link below. It's your choice, then your account is verified. You can log in your account. You see this window. You see here in many top types of here you can link other wallet address also. And you can get your address for a deposit. Here you can withdraw from here your balance. But here you can refer other people. Copy this link and share it on social media. Okay, that's it for this video. Bye. Don't forget to watch this video.